Vyant Vidya Bhavan School prides itself on the quality of its educational programs, the professionalism of its staff, the enthusiasm of its students, and the high level of support provided by parents and community members. There is an open school and we actively participate and involve from the whole school. The main motto of our school is to get victory with determination. The classrooms are accomplished with LEDs which help the students to enhance their learning through visual effects and are a member of LBF, that is commonly known as Learn by Fun.
Hello Pranjal, you know that I am very happy that today is our last exam and we will be promoting to the next +1 class. But somewhere I also feel sad about how should I change my school and which preference I should take to change my school.
Yes, I am also confused.
Wait, I have an idea. I think we should discuss it with our classmate Jannat. She will surely suggest us something very good. Let's talk to her. Hey Jannat, can you have few minutes for us?
Yeah, sure.
Actually, we both were discussing about that we are stepping into next +1 class, but somewhere we are confused that in which school should we step next. Can you please suggest us something?
Sure. Our school, Vyant Vidya Bhavan, is focusing on holistic development, which actually encourages us for many different education streams and which helps us to navigate the essential abilities of the cooperative world confidently. So, which stream are you choosing next?
Maybe arts.
You know, arts can be defined as the expanding field of educational research. It focuses on candidates learning to create art, learning to appreciate or criticize art, or both. My friend Simran will explain you about importance of art education in our school.
I am Simran Kaur from Vyant Vidya Bhavan School, here to express my views on arts education. In today's competitive world, students are often faced with dilemma of choosing right stream after completing secondary education. While science and commerce are popular streams, the arts hold its own unique advantages. Pursuing arts can open door to diverse range of the career option and provide individual with valuable skills that are applicable in various professional fields. This video explores the benefits of art stream, highlighting the opportunity offered and skill its nurture. The art stream consists of wide range of the subjects including literature, visual arts, music, theatre, dance and more. One of the primary benefits of the art stream is ability to nurture creativity and self-expression. Through various artistic mediums, students are encouraged to think outside the box, explore new ideas and express themselves in unique ways. In art stream, critical thinking takes center stage. Students are exposed to diverse perspectives, challenging them to analyze and interpret information. Effective communication is a vital skill in today's interconnected world. The art stream hones the skill through various means such as writing essays, delivering speech. In our school, there are regular lectures of arts. In Vyant Vidya Bhavan, weekly arts-related activities are performed in the school, like dancing competition, drawing competitions, etc. This provides students with experience. Our school provides the students with experienced teachers who have more than 15 years experience in teaching. Art streams open doors for many career options like IPS, IAS, judge, lawyers, fashion designing, etc. One of our school students complete their education from this school and become a famous fashion designer. If you want to pursue your dreams, so come with us and complete your dreams. Thank you.
Moral education helps students differentiate between right and wrong, teaching them to make decisions based on principles and values rather than impulses or personal gain. By nurturing ethical behavior, our school fosters a sense of responsibility and integrity that can lead to a more just and equitable society, which will be described by Manvi of Class 8.
Honorable audience and my dear friends, I am Manvi from class 7th, here to represent moral education of Vyant Vidya Bhavan. Firstly, what is moral education? Moral education is an educational process of construction and transformation of moral and social works. Then, what is the importance of moral education in our life? Moral education is very important in all works. No work of progress is possible without moral education. Let us start introduction of Vyant Vidya Bhavan. In our school, teachers provide us moral education. Our school is CBSE affiliated and co-educational school. Our school have a building of educational block and a building of nursery wing. Our school organizes cultural programs time to time. In order to have admission either in some best school is always demand of every parent and every student to enhance their overall view as well as knowledge. Joining our school become their utmost necessity since the teachers of Vyant Vidya Bhavan teaches detailed topics and aware the students beyond syllabus. By participating in our school programs often have challenges and tough problems to tackle. This helps them to learn how to solve problems of life, while some students in developing skills such as teamwork and ability to follow instruction, which can help in making their future career. While the book do not provide enough information, our teacher could adapt to the syllabus and help students to revise the syllabus. In the library, there are different type of books to read, make our education and spoken English well. Our school management and our principal Sir Mr. Joginder Singh Bajwa inspires us and motivate us for making our future bright. If any student make any mistake, they help them to learn and they understand them politely. For well understanding of topics related to study and their education, there are smart projector classes. Even that the students of nursery wing also maintain discipline within them, and their teacher teaches them about manners, habits and how to greet others. This was last, but there is no end of moral education and following instruction. Thank you all for paying attention on my speech.
Ma'am, I'm injured. Janak, come here. I gave you first aid.
A comprehensive health education program plays a crucial role in a child's education from kindergarten to high school. Health education teaches children physical, mental, social, psychological health. Our school helps students to make healthy choices and avoid risky behaviors. Avneet Kaur of class 8 will now describe you about it.
Hello everyone, this is Avneet in the front of you to represent the theme on the health education. I am the student of class 6 from Vyant Vidya Bhavan. Firstly, I want to talk about the hygienic condition which is very important for our health. And our school also recognize the most of the events regarding to sports which help us to maintain our body healthy and fit. Our sports staff give us tips to play hygienically and follow balanced diet to keep our body healthy and fit. Our sports teacher tell us about the benefits of outdoor games which help us to maintain our body strength and a healthy personality. Besides sports, our school staff make seminars and small lectures regarding to health, which is not only relates to sports but also relates to healthy food. I think so, including green leafy vegetables such as spinach and ladyfinger, and fruits also instead of oily food make ourselves healthy. This kind of seminar tell us to keep our body healthy and fit by making a schedule of waking up early in the morning and do exercise in daily routine, and also do yoga twice a week. Make everyone's life fit. In the morning assembly, we make thoughts regarding to health, and we also pray to God for our life, education and health also. I think praying and trusting on God make our life so easier. At last of the assembly, our honorable principal sir give us speech, important speech for us for health like yoga, exercise and so on. At last but not least, healthiness is most important for our health. Thank you for listening my speech. Thank you again.
Having good discipline and punctuality in your school life is a very important role in our academics and personal life also. It helps us to learn new things, prepare for our exams and also maintain a balance between the academic life and our personal life. Our school is well known for discipline and punctuality. Now my friend Ronak Deep will tell you about this in detail.
It's good to have a good day. Hi everyone, it's me Ronak in front of you to telling you about discipline and punctuality. I am student of the Vyant Vidya Bhavan from class 6. Today, now we're talking about the discipline. What do you mean by the discipline? Discipline meaning to follow the rule as a good manner. It makes our rich personality in a front of the other person. Discipline is backbone of a society. A person with a discipline is looked in a society. Our school, Vyant Vidya Bhavan, always encourage students to maintain discipline. And our respected sir principal ji always encourage students to maintain discipline. Now we talk how our school management maintain the discipline for students. Our school management will make the 4 houses: Shaheed Bhagat Singh House, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose House, Shaheed Udham Singh House, Shaheed Kartar Singh Srabha House, and they make the house head also, which write the name on the list, and teacher will rewarded the student which student maintain the discipline and also rewarded their houses. Teacher check the spoken of the students also, which student is not able to speak the proper English, the teacher help them to speak English.
Now, before punctuality, I am telling you something about our teachers and senior students. Our school teachers is very helpful in every work and every field like study, sports and other outgoing activities. As teachers, our senior is also very helpful in every work and every field such as maintain discipline, and they teach us to punctual of the time. Our school teachers will help teach us with the help of the online videos which make our study interesting. And now we talk about the punctuality. Punctuality means management of the time. A person who manages the time, they achieve their goals. Management of the time is very important in our life. Our school personal vehicle student and the vans come at the school at the proper time on their stops, and our school teacher is very punctual of the time. They was arrival early at the school. We are inspired from the early age students, like some major things are the walk in road. This is one of the major manner of the discipline that's followed in every school. Besides punctuality, our school management will take proper care of our health. They give proper time to eat the lunch and go for the break for washroom and water drink. Our sports teacher tell us the benefits of the outgoing sports. Our school management give us the short lectures about the discipline, punctuality, moral education and health education. Thank you.
Positive cultural activities in school motivate his student to strive hard for excellence, enhances their confidence, help them discover and redefine their talents so that they grow up to become successful, confident and productive happy adults. Our school extracurricular activities contribute to building a positive school identity and reputation, which I ensure that my partner Rupinder Kaur will define you correctly.
I am Rupinder from Byant Vidya Bhavan School, here to express my views on culture activities. A positive culture activities in school offer a highly safe, sportive, encouraging, challenging and inviting environment for staff as well as students. This in turn has a remarkable impact on the overall personality of the student and help to drive a school to height of success. A positive culture is the innermost core that shapes everything that goes inside the school. Our school, Byant Vidya Bhavan, inspire and prepare students for joyful way of life and raises the standard of culture excellence who make them feel motivated and special. This includes role model of teachers and curricular who are integral part of this. Our school culture activities exposes children to new challenges and opportunities which help them to create an identity for themselves. Students learn, develop confidence and grow in character by accepting challenges. Byant Vidya Bhavan school culture will not only try to identify the hidden talents of kids but also nurture gift and ability. This along with that providing student leadership opportunities which help refine their career goals and shape their future in better way. Our school celebrated many culture events with full of joy and love. Culture events like Teej, Rakhi, Vaisakhi, celebration, Lohri, Diwali, Dussehra, Holi are celebrating in our school. The school students participate in each and every event thoroughly in these fun-filled activities. All this made Byant Vidya Bhavan one of the best institute globally.
Science is one of the most important channels of knowledge. It has a specific role as well as a variety of functions for the benefit of our society, creating new knowledge, empowering education and also increasing the quality of our life. In our school, science plays a very significant role which my friend Daman of class 12 will explain you in brief.
I am Daman Kaur from class 12th, here to represent my views on science and education. Welcome at Byant Vidya Bhavan, where science is not just a subject, it's an adventure. Our passionate educators inspire the curiosity among the students and guide them to reach their full potential. We are not just a school, but we are a hub of science-centric education with the personality developing skills. Science at Byant Vidya Bhavan extends beyond the classroom with the opportunity to apply them in real-life scenarios. Our cutting-edge laboratories provide students practical knowledge about science-related subjects. From participating in the STEM competitions to the science-related examinations, our students make meaningful contributions to the society. Our students always had been impressive in terms of attempting and cracking the science-related examinations. Here students not only learn about the principles of the science but also about other critical thinking and personality developing skills. Our education system is designed in such a way that every student can reach their full potential.
Every student can mold according to our education system, and our Vyant Vidya Bhavan rigorous curriculum help every student for nurturing a deep understanding for science and fostering a love for understanding. Our school has always been impressive for making students easy for learning about the science principles. Join us at the Vyant Vidya Bhavan, where science comes to life and every day is an opportunity to trigger the curiosity among the students related science. Thank you.
Playing various sports help us teach life skills such as teamwork, leadership, accountability, patience, self-confidence, and prepares them to face life challenges. Our school's gaming will now be explained by Navreet Kaur of class 10.
Playing sports enhance your skill as well as your talent. Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation. My name is Navreet Kaur and I am from 10th standard. I am here to tell you about the games activities of Vyant Vidya Bhavan. So first of all, I want to tell you about the importance of games in our life. Playing game was an healthy development in early childhood and beyond. It allows us to experiment through trials, error and find solution to the problems, work out the best strategies and build new skills and confidence. Playing game was a great pastime as we are kids, but as we grow up, often other work takes more time and become a priority. It is all important then to include games in our daily routine. I feel that it is necessary for an individual overall growth and development. Playing game also teaches very lessons which is very useful in our future life. It not only strengthens our body muscles but also our mind. It helps in our lives and play an important role in daily routine. They are extremely helpful in keeping our muscles and body strong. Everyone loves to play game. It also take an important part in improving our mental and physical health. A good sport helps to build new confidence and leadership skills such as how to behave with judges, compete with challenges and work in brotherhood. Playing sports is an crucial part of a student's growth, development and physical and mental health. Playing game also teaches how to deal with other peoples and how to work in teamwork. And now I want to tell you something about our school, Vyant Vidya Bhavan. As you know, last year on 15 and 16 December, there was an athletic meet in our school which is organized by our management. As our management said that only way for fitness is by exercise or playing games. So with the help of our management and with the permission of our honorable sir and ma'am, we are able to organize an athletic meet in our school. And I am thankful to our management that they organize each and every function in our school. Taking part in every function and sport also help to increase the child interest in culture activities and also decreases the stress of studies, plus decreases the mental health issues. So at last I want to say thank you to all our management that they support us. Thanks.
Classroom cleanliness is a critical aspect of school hygiene. Clean and organized classrooms contribute to conducive learning environment. A clean classroom environment impacts how children learn because the cleaner the environment is, the better the students learn. My friend Sadkar will now define you of our school's cleanliness and environment.
Hello everyone, today I am here to express my views on cleanliness and environment of Vyant Vidya Bhavan. Our environment is really important to us. Even cleanliness is an important factor of life. The entire nature depends on environment. We need to ensure a clean and beautiful environment as we are having in Vyant Vidya Bhavan. If the environment is not clean, we could face a lot of difficulties in many ways. There are so many ways that are polluting air, water and soil. Even we need to stop all this pollution, otherwise the earth will be unable to live for us. In a life of student, they go to school. Even the school should be having a clean and beautiful environment that we are having in Vyant Vidya Bhavan. There are many trees to get fresh air. Even the school students also plant the plants in ground like flowers or fruits. Our principal sir and ma'am both like clean and beautiful environment. Even they teach us to grow more plants. They give us one day of month to grow the plants and to clean the school. Even principal sir with ma'am and teachers also join with us.
But please explain me the brain topic. It is very difficult to understand.
Okay, as you know, our brain is a very soft and delicate part. and it is made up of three components or three parts, that is forebrain, hindbrain and midbrain.
Personal or individual attention aims at bringing the gap between the learning pace of different children in the classroom. Students who receive individual attention from the teacher have a higher scope of learning new things and developing skills. As a field of science, biology helps us understand the living world and the way its many species, including humans, functions, evolve and interact. Advances in medicines, agriculture, biotechnology and many other areas of biology have brought implementations in the quality of life. Our school's biology specialist, Ma'am Suman Ji, will now introduce herself with her experience. It's important to explore different fields through internships, volunteering or part-time jobs to gain exposure and discover potential interest. Seeking guidance from career counselors can help in understanding personal strengths and interests, leading to better career choices. Now, ex-student and the director of Rhyme Royal IELTS Institute, Himmat Kaur, will tell you about her
My
school.
name is Himmat Kaur, co-founder of Rhyme Royal Institute. Being the ex-student of Vyant Vidya Bhavan School is just amazing. When I remind my nostalgic days of childhood, it was very good experience to be part of this prestigious school, as we were the first batch who passed out from this school. So I have seen many ups and downs and the dedication and how our principal sir managed to cope up with all the problems and they just reach at a specific destination. So education is a weapon that can change whole world. With education we can guide, we can improve, we can make our society the better one. So this is the faculty, this is the institute, this is the school. I have no words, no emotions to express what that institute has given me. Still, my daughter is also being the part of the school, and when she goes there regularly, I cherish her moments. That is very blissful for me. And principal sir, their motivations, their dedications toward their work, and to be optimistic in the pessimistic situation of life, and how to tackle and balance the problems of life, that is also just amazing. And my regards to the principal ma'am, who always encourage, and she's the best example of the empowered woman, who motivates us how to overcome from the obstacles, being a wife, being a mother, and how to make balance between your career, your family and your work. So my appreciation to my school, who has who is the foundation of my career, and always our principal sir, our teachers, who motivated me to be Himmat Kaur, the co-founder of this Rhyme Royal Institute. And I just
School is the basic foundation of knowledge for many children that has empowered our children. It gives chance to children for being able to learn many new subjects like literature, people, history, mathematics and politics and many numerous subjects. Now my friend Jaskirat will tell you about school importance in her life.
Hi everyone, my name is Jaskirat Kaur. I am from 4th standard. I am here to tell you about education system of Vyant Vidya Bhavan. But firstly I want to tell you about importance of education. Education is a mean of achieving a world of peace, justice, freedom and equality for all. No good life is possible without education. Moreover, education is essential for the overall development of a human being. Plus, it also helps to develop our personal, social, and economic development of the country.
That's fraud. CBI rates 67 locations. You know, commerce education helps students get the skills and knowledge they need to make them good candidates for jobs. Commerce is important because it helps to satisfy the needs and wants of people. Our Sir Harmeet Ji will describe about commerce perfectly from his long time experience of teaching commerce in our school.
I am Harmeet Singh from Vyant Vidya Bhavan. I qualified MBA, MCom and B.Ed. So now I am going to discuss about commerce education. The commerce stream after completing class 10 is quite a favorite option across India, as most of the students perceive that this stream provides an extensive platform of career opportunity to pursue after completing class 12, which would earn them both success as well as financial security. Commerce as a medium of interaction can be interpreted as a study of business and marketing activity such as the exchange of commodities and service from the manufacturers to the final customer. The principal subjects that are taught in the commerce stream for CBSE class 11th and 12th comprise of accountancy, business study and economics. Students can choose this field if they have a real interest in these subjects and have an associated for the economics subject and numbers. Students can choose courses like BCom, CA, CS, BBA, MBA, etc. and made their best job career like business analyst, auditor, financial officer, master of business administration, CEO, investment bankers, etc. So you can choose to us in Byant Vidya Bhavan for good commerce education. Thank you.
A decade ago, our school was a small and struggling organization. And if we talk about today, our graduates have widely spread throughout the globe in search for growth, learning, knowledge, and their performances make difference everywhere. Many of them are still in our mind, showcasing their excellence and outstanding performances. One of them is Dr. Abnoor. She is doing MBBS these days. Now she will introduce her to you with their past experience of her school.
ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਮੇਰੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਪਿਆਰ ਭਰੀ ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ। Myself Abnoor Kaur and I would proudly say that I was a student of BBB. Currently I am pursuing my MBBS degree in SGID Amritsar. So before starting it, I would say the depth of your struggle will determine the height of your success. And I am very thankful to my teachers, my parents, my grandparents who supported me, and due to their struggles, at present I am here. So firstly I will start with the word BBB. My school name BBB, Byant Vidya Bhavan. That itself signifies so much importance. The word Byant is the name of the late Sardar Shri Byant Kaur, who is the mother of our respected principal sir. So that that imparts me knowledge that your parents are your pillars and which supports your building, and your building is your future. Talking about the next further part that I want to say, first the school empowers us that you should give respect to your parents first, because your parents are your first support than anything else. Second thing that I want to say, that moral aspects, ethics, that are foremost in this competitive environment. Morality in terms of that how you behave in the society, how you live in the society, that sounds great importance in this society. Your behavior will tell anybody that how much educated you are. Third thing that I want to say, that in terms of knowledge, BBB imparts practical knowledge, how you can learn in practical way. That's the foremost point that I want to say, that beside cramming, how you can learn in a very efficient manner along with the extracurricular activities. So this was the point of that in terms of the knowledge. At last, I want to say that I want to share my personal experience. So before entering in the BBB, I was actually a very shy girl, and at the death of my great-grandfather, my grandfather requested me to speak a speech to pay tribute to him. So I would be very thankful to Sir Principal Ji, who supported me so much that I presented a public speech in front of so many people, and that speech, the people still remember it. And this is very helpful in my college life as well. And at last I want to say that everything, according to my vision, everything around us will teach you something. The blackboard is of black color, and the black color is a sign of sadness, evils, devils, but this black color enlightens the life of so many students. At last I want to say that किताबां विच चुके से अक्सर सारी जिंदगी उच्चे रहते हैं, ते तुसी अपनी मेहनत ते भरोसा रखो, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਮਿਹਨਤ ਦਾ ਫਲ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਮਿਲੂਗਾ। थैंक यू, सत श्री अकाल।
All the memories of school life period are surely the treasure to cherish for the rest of our life. Whenever someone reminisces, it's very about the grades or tests rather than about all those times and memorable memories that someone has spent with their best friends. One student who passed out 12th from her school, Rubal, who is in foreign country now, she felt gratitude to share her experiences of their school life.
Hi everybody, my name is Ruljeet Kaur. I'm a proud undergraduate student at York University and a scholar of undergraduate scholarship. But my journey started much before this achievement. In a place that's very close to my heart, my school, Vyant Vidya Bhavan. A school that laid the foundation for who I am today. And today, I want to take a moment to express my gratitude for this incredible institution. My school life at BVV was in many ways like many other students, like filled with classes, exams and all usual school activities. Perhaps back then I didn't realize how extraordinary these experiences were. It was only during my application process for universities in Canada I understood that true value of what BVV had given me. The curriculum of BVV was not about learning subjects. It was about developing a worldview, understanding the importance of leadership skills, gaining confidence, and having a unique social attitude. I remember the various activities organized by our school members, school heads, faculty members. As a child, I'm very honest right now, as a child, some of them seemed unusual. Even I feel it's like a waste of time. But now I see how those experiences were shaping us for the better. Coming from a small village in Haryana to the part of the world's most prestigious university, I have realized the immense role that guidance and navigation plays in one's life. The principal, the staff members, every member of BVV family were like a compass throughout my journey. To all my teachers and mentors at BVB, I want to say thank you. Thank you for believing in small village girl and her dream. Thank you for countless hours of hard work you guys put in, not just for teaching us, but guiding us and preparing us for the real world. To my fellow students and everyone who have been part of my journey so far, I want to say we are product of our experience, and my experience at BVB had been nothing short of extraordinary. As I embark on this new phase of my life, I carry with me the values, lessons, and the memories of my school days. BVB will always be part of who I am, and for that I'm very, very grateful. To conclude it, I just want to say that wherever we go in life, whatever heights we achieve, let's never forget the roots. Let's never forget the place and the people who helped us to get where we are today. BVB, you have been a foundation stone in my journey, and for that I'm extremely, extremely thankful. I'm extremely thankful to every member of BVB family who makes me what I am today, who I am today, and where I am today. Thank you so much.
Schooling phase is undoubtedly the best phase of life. School is the best place where we learn new things, making lifelong friends and unforgettable memories. Those were the days where there were no work pressure and no tension of earning. School always leaves a deep impact on a children's mind. On our school ex-student Harjia is doing MBBS these days and want to share her experiences in BBB.
Myself Harjia Kaur. I am daughter of Sardar Lakhvinder Singh Thing. I am very happy to inform you all guys that I have cracked NEET 2020-23 with a glamorous rank of 18,608 out of 21 lakh students. So, according to me and my parents, it's a quite satisfactory achievement. It was very struggling phase, but my parents were holding my back and the blessing of my grandparents were with me. So I made it. So basically, I think that if I can dream it, I can achieve it. And this spirit of achieving it comes to me from my school. Basically, today's my message is for all the parents having a look over this video. So let me make it simple, convenient and easy for them. ਸੋ ਬੇਸਿਕਲੀ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲ ਦਿੰਦੀ ਹਾਂ। ਲਾਈਕ ਜੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਬਿਲਡਿੰਗ ਜਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਨਵੀਂ ਇਮਾਰਤ ਬਣਾਉਣੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ ਤਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਉਹਦੀ ਨੀਂਹ ਰੱਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਤਾਂ ਉਹਦੀ ਨੀਂਹ ਆਪਾਂ ਸਟਰੋਂਗੈਸਟ ਤੋਂ ਸਟਰੋਂਗੈਸਟ ਰੱਖਣ ਦੀ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਸੇਮ ਐਜ਼ ਉਹੀ ਆਪਣੀ ਲਾਈਫ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਆ, ਜੇਕਰ ਆਪਣੀ ਬੇਸ ਸਟਰੋਂਗ ਹੋਏਗਾ, ਫੋਰ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲ ਆਪਣੀ ਚਾਈਲਡਹੁੱਡ ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਏਜ ਆ ਉਹ ਜੋ ਆ ਸਹੀ ਬੇਸ ਹੋਊਗਾ ਉਸਦਾ, ਤਾਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਫਿਊਚਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਸਟੇਬਲ ਰਵਾਂਗੇ। ਸੇਮ ਉਹੀ ਸਟੇਬਲ ਬੇਸ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਮੇਰਾ ਮਿਲਿਆ ਬੇਅੰਤ ਵਿਦਿਆ ਭਵਨ ਸਕੂਲ ਤੋਂ, ਬਿਕੋਜ਼ ਮੈਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਲਾਈਫ ਦੇ 12 ਈਅਰਸ ਦੈਟ ਇਜ਼ ਫਰੋਮ ਨਰਸਰੀ ਐਂਡ KG ਐਂਡ ਦੈਨ 1st to 10th ਸਟੈਂਡਰਡ ਮੈਂ ਉਸੇ ਸਕੂਲ ਤੋਂ ਪਾਸ ਆਊਟ ਕੀਤੀ। ਸੋ ਉਹਨੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਸਟੇਬਲ ਬੇਸ ਪ੍ਰੋਵਾਈਡ ਕੀਤਾ। ਬੇਸਿਕਲੀ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਦੀ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਲਾਈਕ ਸਾਡੇ ਜੋ ਬੇਅੰਤ ਵਿਦਿਆ ਭਵਨ ਸਕੂਲ ਆ, ਉੱਥੋਂ ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਟੀਚਰਸ ਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਕੀ ਮੈਂਟੈਲਿਟੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਲਾਈਕ ਕੇਰਲਾ ਜਾਂ ਬਿਹਾਰ ਵਰਗੇ ਜੋ ਸਟੇਟਸ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਲਿਟਰੇਸੀ ਰੇਟ ਬਹੁਤ ਹਾਈ ਆ। ਤਾਂ ਉੱਥੋਂ ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਘੱਟ ਅਟੈਂਪਟਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਾਫੀ ਹਾਈ ਪ੍ਰੋਫਾਈਲ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਸ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕਿ UPSC, NEET, JEE, CA ਇਹ ਸਭ ਕਲੀਅਰ ਕਰ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਨੇ। ਤਾਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ 2% ਵਾਲੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ ਆ ਜਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਜੋ ਆਪਣੇ ਨੌਰਥਨ ਸਟੇਟਸ ਵਾਲੇ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ ਨੇ, ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮ ਤੱਕ ਦੇ ਨਾਮ ਕਿ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਫੁੱਲ ਫਾਰਮ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਣਦੇ, ਅਤੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਲੀਅਰ ਕਰਨਾ ਤਾਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਦੂਰ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ। ਸੋ ਬੇਸਿਕਲੀ ਜੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ ਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਾਂਗੇ ਨਹੀਂ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਚੱਲੂਗਾ ਤਾਂ ਕਲੀਅਰ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਕਰਨਗੇ। ਲਾਈਕ ਇੱਕ ਜੋ ਬੱਚਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਗਿੱਲੀ ਮਿੱਟੀ ਦੇ ਵਾਂਗ ਹੁੰਦਾ, ਉਹਨੂੰ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਦੀ ਸ਼ੇਪ ਦੋਗੇ ਉਹ ਉੱਦਾਂ ਦਾ ਮਾਹੌਲ ਲੈ ਲੂਗਾ। ਸੇਮ ਆਹੀ ਜੋ ਮਾਹੌਲ ਆ ਬੇਅੰਤ ਵਿਦਿਆ ਭਵਨ ਸਕੂਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਇੱਥੋਂ ਦਾ ਡਿਸਿਪਲਿਨ, ਇੱਥੋਂ ਦੀ ਓਰੀਐਂਟੇਸ਼ਨ, ਇੱਥੋਂ ਦਾ ਸਟੱਡੀ ਮਟੀਰੀਅਲ, ਇੱਥੋਂ ਦਾ ਡਿਸਿਪਲਿਨ, ਇਹ ਸਭ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ। ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟ ਆ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਪ੍ਰੋਪਰ ਓਰੀਐਂਟੇਸ਼ਨ ਪ੍ਰੋਵਾਈਡ ਕਰਦਾ ਆਪਣੇ ਫਿਊਚਰ ਵਾਸਤੇ। ਅਤੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਆਈ ਓਰੀਐਂਟੇਸ਼ਨ ਮੇਰੇ ਬੇਅੰਤ ਵਿਦਿਆ ਭਵਨ ਸਕੂਲ ਤੋਂ ਮਿਲਿਆ, ਅਤੇ ਕਦੇ ਨਾ ਗਿਵ ਅਪ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਲੀ ਸਪਿਰਿਟ ਵੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਮੇਰੇ ਬੇਅੰਤ ਵਿਦਿਆ ਭਵਨ ਸਕੂਲ ਤੋਂ ਮਿਲੀ, ਜਿਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਕਦੇ ਗਿਵ ਅਪ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ। ਲਾਈਕ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਡ੍ਰੌਪਸ ਲੱਗ ਗਏ ਲਾਈਕ ਨੀਟ ਦਾ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮ ਕਰੈਕ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ। ਲਾਈਕ ਮੈਂ ਹਰ ਵਾਰ 5 ਮਾਰਕਸ ਤੋਂ ਰਹਿ ਗਈ ਸੀ, ਲੇਕਿਨ ਮੈਂ ਕਦੇ ਗਿਵ ਅਪ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ, ਬਿਕੋਜ਼ ਮੈਂ ਕਦੇ ਗਿਵ ਅਪ ਨਾ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਲੀ ਸਪਿਰਿਟ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਮੇਰੇ ਬੇਅੰਤ ਵਿਦਿਆ ਭਵਨ ਸਕੂਲ ਤੋਂ ਮਿਲੀ। ਸੇਮ ਹੁਣ ਡਿਸੀਜ਼ਨ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਹੱਥਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਫਿਊਚਰ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਬਣਾਉਣਾ ਹੈ, ਕਿੰਨਾ ਕੁ ਬ੍ਰਾਈਟ ਬਣਾਉਣਾ ਹੈ, ਤਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਪਲੇਸ ਸਹੀ ਆ। ਸੋ ਅਕੋਰਡਿੰਗ ਟੂ me, Beyond Vidya Bhavan School is the bestest school for making your child stable. Thank you.
Science education empowers students to question, analyze and seek answers. It encourages them to embrace challenges and view failures as opportunity for growth. Our commitment of Beyond Vidya Bhavan School in science is to create an environment where students learn about science and actively engage.
A living institution influences the minds of students and everything touched on the dreams and the characters, the world of the dreams and the world of thoughts and the practical application. Because we move knowledge and innovations into the world beyond the premises and the communities. We engaged with the thing, and a student of our school, Harpreet Kaur, who is doing MSc now, wants to tell her story of school life.
Respected Principal Sir, Ma'am, teachers, ਮੇਰੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਸਭ ਨੂੰ ਪਿਆਰ ਭਰੀ ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ। My name is Harpreet Kaur and I have studied from Beyond Vidya Bhavan School. Today I want to thank you to all who made me so capable. Wherever I am today, wherever I go, I will always appreciate my school. My school plays a very significant role in my life. I think I will always be indebted to my school for shaping my personality and teaching me a lot of invaluable lessons. It has given me friends for life and inspiring teachers. Today, I want to thank you, Principal Ma'am, who made me so empowered and capable that I can take decisions in my life. They always encourage their students. I have participated in many extracurricular activities like cultural activities, sports activities, and stage activities that helped me a lot in my graduation level. I have participated in youth festival and I represented my college in cultural activities. I have participated in NCC and I have participated in Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat National Camp. Currently, I am preparing for civil services. Hopefully, I will make my parents and school proud. Thank you so much.
School infrastructure serves as the foundation of a conducive learning environment. It encompasses various aspects including classrooms, libraries, laboratories, playgrounds, sanitation facilities, transportation and technology. Well-designed classrooms with proper lighting and ventilation contribute to students' comfort while studying. Comfortable sitting plans and technological resources add to the smart learning environment.
Hey everyone, my name is Manmeet Kaur. I am from 10th standard. Today I am here to tell you about some journal activities of Beyond Vidya Bhavan. Our school organizes many competitions and functions. Competitions like debate competition, quiz competition, salad making competition and many more competitions. And the functions like Tej, Baisakhi, Mother's Day, Teachers Day, Children Day, etc.
Religious education gives children the opportunity to explore moral views or issues such as justice, truth, and the concept of right and wrong. It allows students to look at how people's surrounding, background, families, and social circles impact their moral beliefs. Our respected Salman Ji will teach you many religious morals and stories of his long age experience. Play equipment and toys are basic needs of children. Play equipment play a vital role in the wholesome development of children. This brings the need for the early childhood educator to understand the philosophy of using play equipment based on the principles of child development. Children are happy while playing, so our school is facilitated with new toys and playing equipment for children.
About LBF OLS ऐप। LBF पब्लिकेशंस द्वारा OLS ऐप कक्षा नर्सरी से 5वीं तक के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए बनाया गया एक हाईटेक डिजिटल लर्निंग प्लेटफॉर्म है। इस ऐप में ज्ञान की आधारशिला रखने के लिए सभी बेसिक सब्जेक्ट्स को ऑडियो विजुअल फॉर्मेट में शामिल किया गया है, जिनमें इंग्लिश, हिंदी, मैथमेटिक्स, ईवीएस, जीके और टॉडलर ट्रेनिंग मुख्य हैं। यह ऐप स्कूल के फाउंडेशन ईयर्स में रेपिटेशन और रिवीजन की इम्पोर्टेंस को समझाते हुए डेवलप किया गया है। बच्चे अपने एंड्रॉयड फोन्स और टैबलेट का उपयोग कर सभी विषयों को सीखते हैं। मल्टी सेंसरी मेथड द्वारा बच्चे एक ही समय में सुनना, बोलना व पढ़ना सीखते हैं। LBF OLS ऐप सही उच्चारण, वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन और भाषा में निपुणता को बढ़ाने में मदद भी करता है। एक साथ कई बच्चों को लाभ देने के लिए LBF OHTT ऐप इन वीडियो कंटेंट्स को प्रोजेक्टर पर दिखाने में भी सक्षम है। कुल मिलाकर LBF OLS ऐप नर्सरी से कक्षा 5वीं तक के विद्यार्थियों के लिए एक संपूर्ण और कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव लर्निंग सॉल्यूशन प्रदान करता है और इसके माध्यम से सभी उपलब्ध विषयों को रोचक रूप से सीखा व समझा जा सकता है। आइए देखें इस ऐप की एक झलक।
What is subject and predicate? We should know what is a sentence. A group of words that make a complete sense is called a sentence. A sentence is further divided into two parts, that is, subject and predicate. What is a subject? The person or the thing we talk about is called a subject. What is a predicate? What we talk about, the person or the thing, comes in predicate. So now see, for example, I will go to Mumbai. I will go to Mumbai. What is the subject here? I will go to Mumbai is the predicate. So here, I is the subject. And what is the subject going to do? Will go to Mumbai. That means this is a predicate. Interjection is a word which expresses some sudden feelings or emotions. It comes in the beginning of the sentence. It comes in the beginning of the sentence. We put an exclamation mark after an interjection. We put an exclamation mark after an interjection. For example, ah, oh, hooray, wow, alas, oh, dear me, etc. These are all examples of interjection. Today we are going to start with class 4th subject English lesson letter writing. So here you can see there are two types of letter writing. One is formal letter. Under the formal letter, we have two subparts, that is the application and letter to authorities. As earlier we have done application in the eval 1, now we have letter to authorities. Application, like we have learned, like leave application. That was when we have to take a leave from the school or leave from the office, we will use leave application. Now we have letter to authorities. This is a formal letter whenever we write to any official institution, that is the letter to authorities like bank manager, general manager, or editor of the newspaper. So what are these? These are all the authorities. So we are going to write a formal letter to them. And one comes is the informal letter. Informal letter means a letter written to relatives and friends.
कक्षा चौथी, विषय हिंदी, पाठ हिंदी रोचक शब्दों का समूह, अंग्रेजी अनुवाद। इस पाठ में हम कुछ रोचक शब्दों को पढ़ेंगे, मतलब हम कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग वर्ड्स पढ़ेंगे जिनका अंग्रेजी अनुवाद भी हम सीखेंगे। अब रोचक शब्द क्या होते हैं? कुछ शब्द अपनी भिन्नता या कुछ समानता के आधार पर कहीं ना कहीं आपस में जुड़े होते हैं, या हम ये कह सकते हैं कि हम उन्हें कहीं ना कहीं एवरीडे प्रयोग करते हैं, उनका वाक्यों में यूज करते हैं या उनको अप्लाई करते हैं। इस तरह से इन शब्दों को एक समूह बनाकर रखने से उन्हें याद करना आसान हो जाता है और इसी समूह को हम रोचक शब्दों का समूह कहते हैं। शब्दों के भेद में हम इन्हीं समूह को पढ़ेंगे जिन्हें शब्दों के कार्यों के अनुसार अलग अलग भागों में रखा गया है या बांटा गया है। शब्दों के 8 भेद होते हैं जिन्हें अंग्रेजी में पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच कहते हैं। इन शब्दों के 8 भेद को इनके अंग्रेजी के नामों सहित हम जानेंगे। पहला है संज्ञा। संज्ञा को अंग्रेजी में नाउन कहते हैं। संज्ञा नाउन। सर्वनाम प्रोनाउन। विशेषण एडजेक्टिव। क्रिया वर्ब। क्रिया विशेषण एडवर्ब। संबंध सूचक अव्यय प्रीपोजिशन। संयोजक कंजक्शन। विस्मय आदि बोधक इंटरजेक्शन। ये हैं शब्दों के 8 भेद, पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच।
क्या ये जो नंबर स्क्रीन पर लिखा है, इस नंबर को मैं रीड कर सकती हूँ इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम में? नहीं, ये नंबर तो काफी बड़ा है। तो इसके लिए मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? जैसे मैंने भारतीय गणना प्रणाली की तालिका या टेबल सीखी थी, उसी तरह से हम सीखेंगे टेबल ऑफ इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम ऑफ न्यूमरेशन। So now we are going to learn table of ISN or table of international system of numeration.
All these makes us believe that a study at Bhyant Vidya Bhavan School will redefine your overall expectations from a school education and career someday for sure. So why wait? Let's join hands together to make BVB School our fruitful academic abode. Thank you.